The Zierick surface mount insulation piercing crimp terminal occupies only a small footprint on the circuit board and provides excellent strain relief for terminated wire. This new terminal is ideal for LED and other continuous wire applications. The terminal has a flat base that is soldered to the printed circuit board. Vertical spikes pierce the insulation, making a double connection to the stranded wire. The center of the terminal has a flat pickup area for vacuum placement systems. The side walls of the terminal wrap around the wire, firmly holding it in place. The crimping tool is mounted in a small pneumatic press. Wire is positioned over the terminal in line with the D-shaped tool. The press drives the tool down on the wire, pushing it in place. This single instantaneous operation drives the wire into the insulation piercing spikes and wraps the sidewalls firmly around the wire, making a permanent, strong connection. Side-by-side terminals can be crimped simultaneously in one quick downstroke of the press. Future versions of the press will feature continuous wire feed systems. The Zierick surface mount crimp terminal streamlines the application process by eliminating wire cutting, stripping, and soldering. This new system terminates wire in a fraction of the time required by other procedures.